Bonjour, we are looking at how to pronounce this word, meaning bureau. In French, we'll be looking at how to say more French vocabulary as well and how to say it correctly in French. So in French it means an office or a desk as well, rather than purely like an organization, a bureau, as in the FBI, for example. So bureau means more office or desk in French, and it's said as bureau, bu, so that's the French sound for you, u, bureau, E-A-U together form the sound of O. Bureau, bureau, no stress on any particular syllables. You can say bureau or bureau, doesn't matter. Bureau, it's how you say bureau, let's say, in French. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more French. See you there. Thanks for watching.